Swadikap! Welcome to Bangkok!
Finally.
So, after 5 hours today, we finally arrived. Yes, so cute. Okay, probably see you tomorrow. We're going to sleep. Good morning. We're almost ready to go out and do all the things we want to do because we don't have time, guys. It's 11:37, but you know, we didn't sleep much and we have jet lag. Doesn't matter. We'll do our best to catch everything we want, and we love this room actually. It's pretty cool, this place, you know. See you in bed, hopefully. Okay, we're still here. Donnie, are you ready? Yay! Oh, I missed. Every Thailand holiday includes a visit to the kingdom's capital city, Bangkok. We did the same. We start our journey in Thailand from Bangkok for a few days, and we did few mistakes that you can avoid.
First, don't go in high season, starting from late November till end of April, especially around New Year like we did. Prices are double and it's really crowded.
Apply for e-visa in advance and you'll save at least 5-6 hours at the airport.
Third, exchange your money to local currency when you arrive. Rates are better.
So, two things. Come early in the morning if you want to see the Grand Palace.
Definitely use shirt, yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely
you know,
take a
Tony
shirt and
forgot.
long pants.
Tony forgot his long pants, so we bought a new one.
They sell new stuff here, you know? For 100 bahts you buy new.
And now let's see the Grand Palace. If you want to enter the temples, you should wear clothes that covers your shoulders, knees and ankles. Otherwise, they're not going to let you in. Or you can buy some proper clothes next to the entrance, but they are very overpriced. Don't forget to bring some water because it's hot, very hot.
Grand Palace is the most famous sightseeing attraction in Bangkok. Built in 1782 and for 150 years home of the Thai king. Grand Palace is huge, so you can spend a while walking around, but keep in mind the palace shuts at 3:30 p.m. The entrance is a bit pricey for Thailand, 500 baht, around 15 euros, but it's worth it.
get one?
There you go. That's
Oh.
Thailand. You can refresh yourself like just in a minute with fresh fruits.
Very good. Wat Pho is only 10 minutes walk away from Grand Palace.
Wat Pho, or Temple of Reclining Buddha, is the oldest and largest temple complex in Bangkok. 46 meters long and 15 meters high gold-plated reclining Buddha image. The price of the entrance is only 100 baht, which is less than 3 euro.
This is also a great place to get a traditional Thai massage. Wat Pho is often considered the leading school of massage in Thailand. Next, Wat Arun. Wat Arun, or Temple of Dawn, is almost directly opposite Wat Pho, so it's very easy to get to.
You can get there by tuk-tuk, as we did, which honestly, in nowadays is one of the expensive transports in Bangkok, but it's worth it to try. Taxi or by Chao Phraya Express river boat. It's also a very short walk distance from Wat Arun ferry pier.
Entry to the temple is 100 baht. We would recommend spending at least 1 hour visiting the temple, especially around sunset. Wat Arun is considered by many as one of the most beautiful temples in Thailand. And our last stop for today, Temple of the Golden Mount.
Hi there everybody. So, finally, last destination for today, Golden Mount. It was one of the highest points in Bangkok. Temple highest points in Bangkok. And I'm pretty sure it will be beautiful. So you know, it's gonna be 350 steps. So yeah, there we go. Golden Mount Temple, popularly known as Wat Saket is a low hill crowned with a gleaming gold chetty. To get to the top requires a climb of more than 300 steps, but in the end you will be rewarded with 360-degree view of Bangkok. Admission to the temple at the top of the mountain is 50 baht, which is nearly 1.5 euro. We will recommend going at sunset for even better view like we did.
Good morning, Thailand. It's 6 in the morning and we're packing and we're rushing because again. That will be always in our videos. We're late, we're rushing, we're late, so get used to it. We're almost ready, but a bit late. We'll go today to see the floating market and what was the railway, the famous railway. Hopefully we'll catch the rain, which is just twice per day. A few tips from yesterday we forgot to say. That first, take a lot of water when you walk around Bangkok. Second, take this thing for clean your hands. I don't know how to say it in English.
Clean hands up.
No idea. Third thing, make sure you cover your arms and your knees because they make them buy pants and they make me buy t-shirt. So what else?
But it's new. They
New.
sell only new things.
Yeah. So what else?
Make your plan, guys.
And wake up
Make
early in
your
the morning.
plan early, you know, that's the main thing.
Yeah, we
Make
went
your-
out at 12, so it's
We
pretty
want to
late.
do so many things like
Time is
together,
never
and
enough.
it's impossible to do it. Just make your plan early.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the
We're
main,
leaving now.
main tip. Bye. See you. See you. Bye.
And now we are heading north instead of south, but we don't know yet. Wait to see why and what will happen. Okay, check out where are we by mistake.
Where are we?
So we're in Ayutthaya historical park instead of floating market and the train market, because you know what, we jumped to the wrong car and yeah, our driver doesn't speak English, so we're in the wrong excursion and now we're trying to figure out if we can see the place we want to see. So see you in a bit, hopefully in the right place this time.
Ayutthaya temples are one of the spots near Bangkok that you can visit for a day tour. We didn't expect or plan to visit it, but trust me, in the end we realized it's much more worth it than what we planned. If we only knew what's next, we were going to stay longer and enjoy the historical monuments.
Damnoen Saduak floating market is famous in Thailand and well known from the Instagram photos. So, like everyone, we decided to go there and check what's all the buzz for. First, we paid 1,700 baht for both of us for this excursion, and we expected everything to be included because it was very pricey.
But guess what?
When we arrived, we paid again. Same price, but this time for the boat.
The floating market seems to be only running for tourists. The boats full of tourists were more than the sellers. Very crowded and overpriced. We were super disappointed. The famous photos that you see on the internet are taken before over 10 years, so basically this place doesn't exist anymore.
Okay, we're here waiting the train, and as you can guess, it's so crowded. You can see everybody are waiting the train. It's so annoying. It's not what we expect, of course, but we'll see. Maeklong Railway Market is traditional Thai market selling fresh vegetables, food, and fruits. What makes it special is that the market is located on a train line, when a few times a day train runs directly through the market.
So we decide it's interesting and worth it, and we can make some nice photos and videos.
Hello! Behind the line, hit! Go! Hi! Hit!
But it turns it's already super touristic attraction.
Hundreds of people waiting to take the same famous photo. And because of that, the train is passing super slow and you barely can take any photo. And keep in mind, there are a lot of pickpockets. Without having any opportunity for a shot, we were lucky that we had our drone to take video from a proper angle. Doesn't matter our drone crash seconds before the train passed.
So, as you can see, it was so hot.
I feel like those dogs in the cartoons, you know, when the tongue goes out of the car.
That's how our 2 days of exploring Bangkok finished, but we're still not done yet. In our next videos, we'll show you 5 of the best rooftop bars in one night and the biggest night market, Chatuchak.
If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will be happy to assist you. For more travel videos, please subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb.